Hi there, everybody, and welcome back to another video today. My name is Marybeth and I have some very important information that I would like to pass along to you because I know that there are a lot of marketers out there who are struggling. They're struggling to generate enough of leads on a daily basis, and equally so, they are struggling to be able to convert a percentage of those leads generated into signups for their businesses. Well, I have some really good news to share with you today because I have a method and strategies contained within this method that I have been using for quite some time that you can get access to that can truly help to set you free with the struggles and from the struggles and also help you to succeed in your business. Okay? The platform that I've been using for quite some time, actually several years, is YouTube, okay? And YouTube is a very powerful platform. It's a very easy way to establish yourself, to establish your business, to build your brand, and to also establish you as an individual of influence among your peers in whatever business that you might be involved with. And it's a great way for you to also establish leadership status, okay, on the internet, especially if you are a marketer and if you're somebody who wants to build a business, a long-term sustainable business, okay? So the training that you're going to be able to access is right here. And the best part of all this method using these strategies, you can successfully accomplish this once you complete the training and use this method, which just so happens to be a free method. And I've been using it for a number of years now. And for me, it has generated some of the best, highest quality, best converting leads from all the other methods that I've utilized, and I haven't had to spend any advertising dollars doing so, okay? So here it is, folks. It is called YouTube automation, and I just want to share this with you. And this is something that you can easily get access to when you become part of this system, okay? And you can also resell this system and generate unlimited $50 commissions, unlimited $150 commissions, and unlimited $300 commissions, giving you the $300 a day blueprint, which happens to be the magic number that is necessary to set yourself up and position you to become a future six-figure earner, especially as we are going to be quickly approaching a new year 2023, okay? So this training is available in your back office at the pro level membership. How to generate 2 to 5 sales per day on automation. And it's done with this free method that is simple and easy to learn. If you have access to the right information and the right training, it will be all that you need to equip you with the knowledge, to provide you with the necessary skills to go out there and start getting results in your business, okay? Start being able to generate an ample supply of leads. This will definitely boost your lead flow. And the way this method breaks down, it quickly builds know, like, and trust, so it's much easier to take a percentage of the leads generated using this free method and converting them over into paid signups and building and scaling up whatever business you might have or become part of in the future, okay? The business of your choice. So here's the videos, folks. All you have to do is get started with this very system called Infinity Processing System, where we are going to teach you everything you need to know to become your own boss. If that's something you aspire for, folks, you're definitely in the right place at the right time. And I just want to hone in on one single method today in today's video to keep it simple, since this method is really easy, it's really powerful, and if applied and implemented with consistency, it works amazingly, amazingly well, okay? YouTube automation, you'll watch this video once you plug in and get access to the system. And then you come down here and you proceed onward and upward to the next video, which is going to teach you how to generate leads 24/7 and sales on autopilot. So again, this is simple, yet it's very compelling and powerful because it's going to teach you this process for free and how to put your business on autopilot, okay? And that's exactly what you want, all right? And then how to structure your videos for success. It's going to show you exactly how you need to structure these videos, what components you need to integrate into your videos to get them seen, get them working for you so that you are able to find success in whatever business that you want by creating content on YouTube, okay? And then we move right along here, how to upload your video for maximum results. So uploading the video is only one simple step in the equation, but you need to be able to upload it so that you get the maximum benefits and maximum results from every piece of content that you create in terms of a video, okay? So that's very, very important. This is also equally important, how to create an eye-catching thumbnail, a very important piece to the YouTube video creation process, okay? Very, very important. This is going to show you exactly how to do that. And last but not least, how to create a winning YouTube banner, okay, which is very, very important. Okay, this is all important within the process to help you to position yourself, to brand yourself, and position yourself as someone of influence within this industry so that people look up to you, to get them to follow you. And this becomes one of the most powerful forms of the law of attraction. And this will teach you exactly how to attract the right prospects, build your targeted audience. There's many, many benefits within this particular strategy. And it's very simple. It's not difficult. All you have to do is plug in, go through this video training, this step-by-step, easy to follow YouTube automation video training. And these videos will be back in your back office. You can access them any time of the day or night. And if you need to go back and rewatch a video more than one time till you fully grasp the concept, even take some notes is something I would suggest as you are proceeding through this training. And then immediately after you successfully complete all 6 modules, you just want to go out there and take action, massive action, apply and implement this YouTube automation training. And then you should start seeing some great, positive, desirable results. Your lead flow, first and foremost, should significantly increase. You stick with this, you consistently create and upload new content, and over time, you should start being able to see a higher number of conversions. The leads generated through your YouTube video marketing efforts will be converted over into signups, paid signups for this opportunity and any other opportunity that you elect to use this training for to help you to build and scale up your business. Okay, folks, this is very easy. It's not difficult at all. And the best part is it doesn't require any advertising budget whatsoever. This process is free and it is extremely powerful, especially once you start to learn the law of attraction and attraction marketing, because this is going to help you to go out there and really establish yourself in the marketplace as somebody of influence. Once you build your brand, once you understand your targeted audience and start building a subscriber base through your targeted audience, folks, you're going to be able to take any offer out there using these simple methods and strategies contained within the YouTube automation marketing and truly change your life and crush your competition, folks. This is where it's at. Your content can be seen 24/7. You and your message can be heard 24/7. And it's like having little employees working for you, all for free, folks, around the clock. Very, very powerful. I've been doing YouTube marketing now for well over a decade. And this is something using these simple strategies contained within this training that has enabled me to attain leaderboard status in just about every single opportunity that I have been part of over the past several years. Okay, so this stuff absolutely works. I highly recommend it. And for those of you who might be camera shy, what I was told years ago when I first got started in this online internet marketing, affiliate marketing space was, Mary Beth, sometimes you have to step outside of your comfort zone. And sometimes you have to get uncomfortable before you can become comfortable if you truly want to succeed and join the ranks of the top producers and the leaders within this home business space, folks. And I took this individual up on his advice, folks. I've never looked back. I went crazy with YouTube marketing. I am still doing YouTube marketing to this day. Fast forward to 2022, going into 2023, folks. You can find my YouTube channel at Retire with Mary Beth. If you like this, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Retire with Mary Beth. Smash the notifications button. And as I continue to upload new content, you will be notified. And then you can see exactly what I'm doing and how I'm doing it and how I can help you in the process, folks. I just wanted to get this out, folks, because this system alone has gone viral. And we are helping so many people to finally see the results that they desire and, more importantly, deserve in their business. This training at this level here, this back office training at the pro level is only $300 one time plus a one-time $25 admin fee. And what's really nice is you can use it to help you to scale up and grow and build any business the right way, successfully, and resell this system and earn commissions, unlimited commissions of $50, $150, and $300. So with that being said, folks, the link below is in the description of this video. Head on over to my website, yoursuccessblueprint.net. And when you decide to take part in this training, when you invest in the system, folks, you'll be investing in yourself, and we will be providing you with your very own six-figure blueprint to follow. So head on over now to yoursuccessblueprint.net, enter your information. You'll be redirected over to the presentation where you want to watch the presentation. Every single minute of it, review the information by scrolling down and choose the product level package of your choice. We have basic, we have elite, and we have pro. The best, highly recommended one is the pro because you will be able to earn on all three levels and you're going to be able to access some of the best internet marketing that money can buy for that price point online, folks. This is the back office, and it doesn't stop here with YouTube automation. You will not be limited to only this training, folks. You can learn all types of internet marketing using social media marketing. We'll give you the complete six-figure social media blueprint. Many of these methods you will be able to tap into, learn, equip yourself with the skill set necessary to succeed, all for free. Okay, so it's all right here, folks. I just wanted to come in here and let you know what is accessible to you, what is available to help you as you position yourself for success in the new year 2023. Thank you so much. My contact information is below. Go to my website now. Check it out. Let's get you started as soon as possible. Any questions, text or call me at 330-787-1795, and I'll see you soon on the next video. Bye-bye.